What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. And today, I wasn't even gonna make a video today because I have so many other videos I need to make, or edit rather, for tools that I've been reviewing and testing and looking at. Which, while we're on the topic, remember I said I was gonna get this and compare it to the Ryobi? No, I don't see how this has such high reviews. If I'm being honest. Well, we'll get to this. I'm going to talk about this towards the end of the video, but let's get on with the deals. So these are coming from the Facebook group Morales CC. It probably has something to do with construction. I don't know. I found these dust stoppers at Home Depot on clearance for $13. So check your Home Depots. Check BrickSeek. Moving on. Metabo HPT deals again at Lowe's. Ryan Fife found this starter kit at Lowe's for $79.67. And I know you're probably like, well, Chris, I thought you never buy batteries. You never buy starter kits. I don't, but this starter kit comes with a free tool. So this thing is like half off. And it comes with the free tool as well. So yeah, that's a sweet deal. So check your Lowe's and see if you can find a Metabo HPT starter kit for $79 or just on clearance. And it will also come with a free tool. Boom. Those are the deals I love. Found a rear handle. Oh my God, this is $79 as well? Y'all know this thing was normally like $200. In some cases, at one point, it was like $215, $220. Literally, all the reviewers will tell you this is one of the best rear-handed circular saws on the market. So, very light. And yeah, see, he showed his receipt. So he got the starter kit, and it's a 36 volt at that, and got the 36 volt rear-handed circular saw. Incredible deal. Incredible. Moving on. Frank Ybarra, I think I said that right, found these Milwaukee Fastback, this little bundle. So you get the Fastback, a knife with some refills of blades. I don't know how many come in that, but yeah, it comes with a little set here. $6.32 at Herm Dipper, okay? Let's move on over to Direct Tools. We haven't talked about them in a while because they haven't really had any deals, but they have a little something going on today. 35% off these tools here. I've seen this as low as $125 before. I mean, it's an alright deal. You can scroll through here. Just know if you do see something that you like this is a good deal as well for this right angle drill. Just make sure, one, you do factory blemish stuff because they have warrants, full-blown warranties. Especially if it's rigid, then you'll be able to get that LSA. But just make sure it's worth it because you know you're going to pay $15 for shipping. So try to get at least two things, or if it's just a real big ticket item, you know, like a pressure washer or something like that, you want to do that. But anyway, I'll leave this up. Unfortunately, there's no, extra bucks or Rakuten or Retail Me Not, so there's no cash back on this. You just paying for it. Yeah, that's it. All right, moving on over to Lowe special buy today. They have some exercise equipment. I like this one right here. It says freestanding push-up bar, but I guess technically because you can do your dips on this, and then I also like it because you can do your leg extensions on this. So, then you can also do pull-ups and stuff like that. So yeah, it's weird to call it a push-up bar, freestanding push-up bar. I was thinking of a pull-up bar, but whatever. Anyway, this is darn near half off at $127.99. If you had the space, I'd be all over this. Then you have this elliptical for $178. That's not terrible either. I would have to look at the reviews on that bad boy though. All right, moving on. Just as a reminder, Bosch is still having the buy one get ones, and a lot of stuff is just marked down and it's still buy one get one. No longer are we seeing the buy more save more, because there was a little period of time where there was buy more save more stacked on top of a BOGO, stacked on top of stuff on sale. And that's how I got that miter saw with a starter kit and the mid torque impact wrench for $300. And how I got something else, some other crazy bundle, and it was also $300. So which on the Lowe's buy more save more items, you can hack those. So just a reminder, they have these. So this impact wrench, this high torque impact wrench is truly almost best in class. I can't really think of another high torque. Maybe the Walt has one now that's better than this one. But it's $199. You also get to choose from two 8 amp hour batteries or a starter kit, which is a charger and an 8 amp hour battery. It's their big boy charger, or this Pro Factor hammer drill. Oh, it's not a Pro Factor hammer drill. This is not the big boy hammer drill that corrects the angles and all that stuff. But it's a little weird. I don't use that feature on mine. I just use this thing as a daggone hammer drill, call it a day. But this is $119 again with the free gift, so you get the two batteries or the starter kits. But this is 4 amp hour batteries over on here. With the high torque, it comes with 8 amp hour batteries there. And you can just search through here. Let me tell you how lovely Lowe's website is. So you say, I want to go to Bosch, okay? Please show me all the ones that have free gifts. And they say, oh, it's only 4. It's like, oh, well, that's convenient. You gave me all the 4 just up top. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. I guess that's it. Well, yeah. Wait, what's this? This is a 5th one with a free gift. Wait, a 6th one with a free gift. What? A 7th one with a free gift? What is this? I thought you said it's 4. Gotta give it to Lowe's. So, unfortunately, you just gonna have to hunt if you want to go through all the Bosch things, all 25 pages, and I ain't got time. So, moving on, Acme Tools has a deal on some Metabo HPT stuff as well. I've heard great things about this cordless compressor. My Walmart stuff just came yesterday or 2 days ago. I just opened it up, and we're going to talk about that vacuum. So this one, they have like a buy more, save more going on. If you spend $299, you get $50 off, and guess how much this costs? $299. But this also, and it's the only one, I went through all the Metabo HPT pages, found something cool, but this is the only thing that has more than one promotion going. So you can get $50 off. This does have Rakuten, and it also has Retail Me Not. So you want to do the Rakuten because that's 2% cash back. And if you're new, use the link in the description. You'll get an additional $30 cash back as opposed to just the 2% on top of the $50 cash back. $50 off. And then you also get a free air nailer. So we're going to go ahead and add this to cart, and then it'll let you choose between a finish nailer and this crown finish stapler. So you get to choose that. Nice little bundle going on there. Moving on, look what Metabo HPT has. Only one in class that has a lifetime warranty. So this has a lifetime warranty. They have a tripod light. No one has used it because, I don't know, it's brand new. I would like to get my hands on it because this thing pivots a bunch of different ways, and it has the 3 LED lights that can move around. It reaches up to 7 feet tall, like the Milwaukee rocket light. I was about to say, here's another one, but that's Makita. God dang, $420. God, that's expensive as a mug. One of the things I like about this is that it comes with the AC adapter. So most of these, Lowe's, DeWalt, their work light doesn't even come with the ability to plug it into the wall. It's just battery only. And Milwaukee's, they have the ability to do it, but you got to provide your own extension cord. This comes with the AC adapter, which I appreciate. So there you have that. Now, the question is, if you plug it in and then put a battery in, will it charge it? Will it charge the battery? I don't know. So I would like to get my hands on this. Unfortunately, this is not in Lowe's, and I don't want to buy nothing from Acme Tools and have to return it and nothing like that because I likely wouldn't keep it. And I know I'm basically at the end of this video, but I do want to say I'm going to pause, and if you get any value from this video, I ask that you please take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss any good deals. Moving on. Thank you. That's it. So over here at Home Depot, we have this Ryobi. Now, again, we talked about batteries earlier. No, I don't generally buy batteries, but I would buy this. And this is quite tempting. I don't have a whole bunch of 18-volt Ryobi tools, though, to warrant it. But if you add the batteries, and generally, if you add the most expensive thing, like this planer here, it'll make this super cheap, but it's not that. It's the belt sander. It's weird. If you add this belt sander, it will make the battery kit, the 2 4 amp hour batteries and the charger, only $34.03. and it'll make the belt sander $64.97. Yeah, and this $34.03. So that is insane. It's insane. It's crazy. So there you have it. So go ahead, rack up on some batteries. I think I might get one just to be, cover all my grounds here. Make sure I always have little Ryobi batteries lying around. So I compared this to the Ryobi, y'all. The mouth of the thing. This thing is, come on. This is really small. It's almost the same width, but it's not as long because it doesn't have the dual roller. Now, Ryobi has one that has the single roller and one that has the dual roller. The dual roller does vacuum better than the single roller. This probably performs just like the Ryobi single roller. The motor is exactly the same. These two vacuums have the same pitch, have the same sound. It's the same. They're both TTI products, the same, just different designs. This has a much smaller dust bin than the Ryobi. Just get the Ryobi. This is not worth purchasing for $119 because the Ryobis, if we go on over to Home Depot, we see this is part of the $199 Ryobi Days BOGO. So you go ahead and add this to cart, and this bad boy becomes $99.50. And if you want to just keep these batteries too, you get a 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a 6 amp hour battery. They're high output batteries, charging the bag for $200 for $199. That's way better than this little deal over here. And if you wanted to get this as a kit, this is $200. So who's buying a heart? That don't make any sense. Just get the Ryobi. I was gonna have a bigger can and all that. So like I said. So anyway, now that's it. That's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully it provides some value to you. And I will see you guys next time.